Hi Mayfield, it's Miss McPhee and it's Thursday, April 21st, and this is our homework for Math 6. Due tomorrow, Friday, April 22nd. We've been working this unit on looking at algebraic expressions and algebraic equations, and today we just started to kind of play around with distributive property a little bit. We will have a quiz next Friday, and of course I'll be sure to give you a really comprehensive review the day before. This is our homework that's due tomorrow. Can you do question on the back? Yes, and thanks for the reminder, this homework is a front and a back. And the question on the back is the lesson that we did Tuesday of this week, revisiting percentages. We worked with percentages before, but now we're going to look at percentages and also be able to write them as equations. Noah raised $54 to support the animal shelter, which equals 60% of his fundraising goal. So I'm going to use G as my variable, and G stands for goal. And then I have to make sure to write my 60% as an equivalent decimal or fraction. So maybe you write that as 60% as a decimal. And we know of in mathematics means multiply. So you could write 54 equals 60 hundredths G, or for those of you like me who love our fractions, maybe you write it as 60 hundredths as a fraction times G equals 54. Maybe you like, hey, I see some zeros here that I can cancel out. Sure, if you want to simplify this to 6/10 times G equals 54, that's another great equivalent equation. And who knows, maybe you're like, hey, but Miss McPhee, can't I just divide both of those by 2 and change 6/10 to 3/5? Yes, you can. So any of these equations is totally acceptable for part 1. And then part 2, okay, so what is the goal? If 60% is $54, what was the goal? So a couple of strategies here. Maybe you want to do the opposite and multiply by the reciprocal. Maybe you want to divide to get rid of times 60 hundredths. Maybe you want to make a tape diagram. I noticed this week that a lot of you really seem to like the double number line strategy that we worked on way back when we first started to look at percentages. So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have my 20% and my 40% and my 60%, which we know is $54, 80%, and then of course what we're finding here is our 100%, which is not 100, Ms. McPhee. So in order to get this to work, I need to work backwards a little bit and find out, well, if $54 is 60%, what's 20%? So I have 3 different groups here, 3 intervals, so I'm going to have to do 54 divided by 3 to get my 20%, since 60% divided by 3 is 20%. And when I do 54 divided by 3, I get $18. So $18 is 20%, and now I'm going to skip count. So $36 is 40%. We already know in the problem that $54 is 60% plus another 18. $72 is 80%, which means that 100% our goal is $90. You don't have to use this strategy. There's multiple strategies, but make sure that I show your work, that I see your work. You've been working super hard. I'm very proud of you, as always, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow so we can keep working together. See you soon. Bye.